Good morning, everyone, and I warmly welcome all of you. I am Samir Karmanagode, Project Manager, Techno Engineering Private Limited. I think I need to first introduction my company. My company is Techno Engineering Private Limited. Was established in 1990. Among the oldest and most well reputed construction company in Sri Lanka. Our company during this time period we successfully complete the project housing scheme, shopping complex, and hotels building, hospital building, and highway project, bridges, and especially main water supply project in Sri Lanka, transmission and distribution project, and drainage system and irrigation project in Sri Lanka. And the company also achieved focus the latest construction technology to assist to these highly skilled workers, and technology plays too much emphasize on completion time and work schedules is thus on quality workmanship. And our company is technology engineering company is a very great one company in Sri Lanka and is famous foreign country, especially South Asian country. And also the Sri Lankan government has trust us and gives this opportunity to design the new science faculty at Homagama, especially our Prime Minister request and Higher Education Minister give this design this project science faculty to our company. The ministries took the construction this area to 8 land to Homagama, Colombo, Sri Lanka, and our company designed the two main building. First one is 6 stories building and 8 stories building. The buildings including planetarium, laboratories, and lecture halls, accommodation, regard radiology division and gym, playground and water pond. And we are said to they need to concept in greenery concept achieve this project to design new science faculty building. And our project details we are named to new project propose new faculty science at Faculty of Science at Homagama. The client is Ministry of Higher Education in Sri Lanka and consultant is CCB. Contractor our company Techno Engineering Sri Lanka, and project location is Homagama, Sri Lanka, and our project contract type is design and build. And we are guide to contract document ICTADS and SBD4. Our decide to our project team decide to project duration 2 years, and we are allocated to 1.89 billion project cost. And our project duration 2 years, but investor we can get a profit after 6 and 9 months. They are invest money. And before start the project, the following feasibility studies should be done. First one, technology feasibility, social feasibility, financial feasibility, and conservative feasibility and economic feasibility. Investor agree invest the money our project, we can start the before October start the project. And I am very happy man because we have a good team in my project team. They are a dedicated, educated and hard working team we have. I am a project manager, Samir Karnanagoda. My engineer is ML Veerasinghe and architect W.S. Dalveera. Quantity service Miss Madhubashini and financial manager Mr. Samarnayaka. Our objectives provide quality excellent service for the client requirement, and we strive to provide excellent result for this project science faculty. We do intertwine of quality and durability. We are fully economically carry out our responsibilities in accordance to the value principles, and complete the work within special time and budget. And this is our work breakdown structure. My teams and I am. So we expect your investment in your project, and we assume your investment will certainly be a great invest for the future. And I think again say request you take part in this investment agreeing on this project proposal. Now my part is over. My engineer Mr. Veerasinghe, I would like to inform. I'd like to take I would like to invite my engineer Mr. Veerasinghe to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Samir. I'm Lakshan Veerasinghe, engineer of the project. First, I will explain the risk management plan of this project. First, we can identify the risk of three major parts of risks. These are external, project, and internal risks. External risks examples are political, economic, and weather. Project risks are time, cost, work, construction, and technological. Internal risks are resources, project member is construction site, construction risk, document and information risk. After we can this is our risk management plan. First we will identify the possible risks, and after analysis the risk, and after we can mitigate the risk. Example, risk avoid, risk transfer, risk reduction, and we can identify the level of the risk, which are high risk or medium or low risk. These are the identification of our risks. Example of lack of the professionals, experts, exceed the client budgets, client will not satisfy with the design, design changes, design errors. These are. We will identify the risks, and we will find out the risk mitigations of method. We can use the professional expertise team for this project, and use the alternative options, and reliable understand with the client, use sustainable modern building concepts, and staff meeting and professional advisors and experience, and use the related rules and regulations, and at the contingencies of the BOQ and strategic plan, and approval for the proposed design and relevant design from the relevant authorities. This is our risk matrix. We are collect the data and make a chart of the risk matrix. We can mention the green color area low risk, and yellow color area medium risk area, and after red color mean high risk area. And after we make risk assessment table of this correct document. This is our risk assessment table. We are health and safety management. We are planning to use this project for OSAS 18001 and environment management system for 14001. And we can identify the health hazard and safety hazard of this project. Some health Hazards are noise, vibration, noise and vibrations, chemicals, manual handling, use materials of asbestos and cement, dust. Some safety hazards are falls, falling materials, electrical accident, trips and mobile parts. We can identify this hazards and we can identify the solution of these hazards. We can planning to use the qualified safety officers, watchmen, security officers and security officers should be available at site and use the safety barriers, fence and other necessary arrangement of the site. This is a urban area. This construction is a urban area, and we can planning to proper traffic control planning for this project, and we can use the monitoring system for CCTV security system and other proper monitoring system, and we can properly record the our in and out vehicles and persons, and we are planning to construction material, equipment and others are placed in the reliable places for our site, and we can visitors and other no permission to visitors and other persons, and we are instruction to they have to use the safety regulations, rules for our site. This is our site safety common notice. We can this notice mention our site location every places, because our staff and workers see this and they have to. We are planning to. We are planning to the safety locations are. We are planning to this safety notice are places in our site locations. And this is our sample safety meeting report. We are planning to every month we have got a safety meeting for the every month and one day for every month, and collected relevant detail of this project, details. SWOT analysis. We have collected our strength, weakness and opportunities, threats and threats for analysis our SWOT analysis, and example of this strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats, and collect this data, and after we make a pie chart of the SWOT analysis, and we can identify the threats of this project. Threats are 70%, and strengths are 35, and weakness are 28, and opportunities are 28. This is our best analysis. We are collected data of political, economical, social, cultural and technical issues, and we can make a pie chart of this best analysis. After we can get data of technical issues are 32, and political issues are 22, and economical are 9%, and social, cultural are 27. This is my part over. I relate to our architecture.
Thank you, Mr. Krishna. I am Sampath Jaisha. I am the architect of the Techno Engineering Private Limited, and we took the specialty of this point when design this science faculty. First one is design outline, and this is the requirement type of soil, what are the material to be used to be built, science faculty, and location, the environment factors, urban design scheme, especially time and money. Climate, we have complied with building regulation, existing infrastructure and sustainability. We have focused on durability, stability, economical background and safety conditions. We were concerned about the use of space, installation of durable material, student positioning, so that the student can easily engage in learning activities without any issues, and building orientation, site planning and landscaping, construction technologies and environment. This is building services, electrical, power supply, backup power, emergency power and lighting protection system. These are help to protect lab equipment, especially, and solar panel system. This is mechanical, vertical transportation, elevator, HVAC system, sustainable building design, laboratory exhaust system. This is building services plumbing. Water supply with water tank, drainage of waste, rainwater harvesting system, sewer treatment plants and installation, wastewater disposal system. This is other building services, security system, building management system, public address system, data network, voice network, CCTV, fire protection system, fire detection system, and garbage disposal system. This is a map of the new science faculty at Home Agama. The area of the land is 8 acres. We have to construct this building populated area, and it is to be built near the land registration office at Home Agama. This is our construction site layout. We have planned 6-story building and 8-story building near the Isabella Main Road and also the parking area. And this is main reason to build 6-story building and 8-story building close to the main road because it is easy to access for everyone. Playground and waterfront are to be built behind the buildings, and wastewater treatment plant, sewer treatment plant, and water tank are to be built behind the 80-story building. Water provided by water board is not sufficient for that, and we want to collect water to water tank, and after we can use it. We plan for planting table plants and medical plants. The back of the land. The back of the land is select for the planting to get environment needs for plant to grow trees. This is a temporary layout. As you can see, the tractor site of the consultant site of it located behind the building. Barbeting area is located between 6-story building and 80-story building. It is very easy for reinforcement handling, and this steel work area national yard is to be located near the playground, and we provide staff and living accommodation outside the workplace. Because it is to prevent unwanted conflict in occurring in the workplace. This is front elevation of 6-story building. This is side elevation of 6-story building. This is ground floor plan. Gym area is located in left side of the building. Restaurant area located in right side of the building. We designed to build to make medical service room to obtain medical facilities for students and the others. We designed 2 elevators in addition to the staircase because of one staircase not enough for this building. We also designed emergency exit with another staircase, and we can use emergency floors. This is first floor. First floor is designed for the lecture halls with bedroom and lobby area. This is second floor. Second floor is designed for the lecture halls as before. This is third floor. We designed 3 floors for lectures. Lecture hall designed for the 500 students to teach at the time with bedroom and lobby area. This is 4th floor. This floor is designed for the dormitory for students with 2 bedrooms and lobby area. Male toilet and female toilet are to be more designed than the other floors because of dormitory. This is 5th floor. This floor is designed for the dormitory as before. We designed each bathroom has a special area for disabled person for disabled toilet. This is tube slab. We are not designing normal tube slab. We design concrete slab. We will apply waterproofing layer and cement engineering layer to protect water leakage, and we install solar panel system. It is very energy efficiency system rather than the hydropower electricity or coal electricity. We install outline of this building 1.5 meter high GI pipe and rail for safety support. This is front elevation of 80-story building. Planetarium and telescope are to be built on the concrete roof. This is side elevation of 80-story building. This is ground floor plan. floor is designed for the office area with library and other conference room, other office area. This is first floor. The auditorium is to be built on the left side of the building. This auditorium, it can seat 400 people at a time, and left side restaurant area is located. This is second floor. This floor is designed for the chemistry lab. This is third floor. This floor is designed for the microbiology lab. This is fourth floor. This floor is designed for the tissue culture lab. This is fifth floor. This floor is radiology lab with this floor and other facilities. This is sixth floor. This is lab with storage. This is seventh floor. This floor is designed for the astronomy lab. This is Cook's lab. We designed this planetarium on the top Cook's lab because we want to get maximum benefit after we conduct this science faculty, and we designed two stage of telescope to accommodate two telescope for the astronomy studies. Thank you for very much, and I like to invite Conservative to give our presentation.
Thank you all. I am Manara Madhumani, Contemporary Technology Private Limited. As a quantity surveyor, I have to take three main responsibilities such as the cost, time and quality. The cost is the main responsibility for me. And the cost is based on time requirement. If we exceed the project cost and the project fail and the project is go down, then it also a challenge of us. Another challenge is the time. Time is essential to successful project. And first of all, I explain the Gantt chart of our project. Our project is 2-year duration. Gantt chart is useful for planning and scheduling the project. They help to assess how long a project should take, determine the resource needed, the plan and order which you will complete the task. They are also helpful for managing dependencies between tasks. You can use them to identify the critical activities that must individually be complete on time if the whole project is delivered on time. This is our Gantt chart. The challenges for the cost and time. First one is fluctuation in price of raw materials and unstable cost of manufacturing materials is the one of our challenge. High cost of machineries and shortage of construction materials. Other one is fulfilling time requirements with a limited budget. This is a big challenge of us. Business and regulatory methods. Other one is the project build a urban and very busy environment. Another challenge of us. Additional works and inappropriate government policies. These are the challenges of cost and time of the project. Techniques for the cost reduction. These are the techniques for cost reduction. Design analysis, economic order quantity, technological feasibility, forecasting, substitute material inflation, supply chain management, quality management, activity-based cost management, yield analysis, economic batch quality. These are the techniques. Then cost analysis. This project ongoing design and build contract. The integrated component system is most important in the project. It is SPP4. The consultant is given only employer requirement and also give a structure, but don't give a details drawings. Contractor is responsible for design as well as construction of the project. This is our POQ. Our project cost is 1.5 billion. Then without excluding that, then contingencies are 10% and VAT provision is 8%. The grand total is 1.8 billion. Then I invite financial manager Mr. Sir.
Thank you, Madara. I am Sunara, financial manager of the project. Financial feasibility is most important thing in the project because we can't get financial feasibility before the project. We can't implement the project, and project will be lost at future. And this is our cash flow plan values. You can see the S curve of our cash flow, and our cost at with the relevant time frame. And the other thing is revenue generating methods. Revenue generation is most important thing because we are searching for an investor, and they want generate their cost from limited time frame, and we want to do for our investors. And this Somagama area is we have see lot of schools and people and universities and good services from this area. And we propose some revenue generating activities to our project. We can see the laboratories, restaurant, tissue culture laboratories, auditorium and lecture hall, gym, playground and swimming pool and library and planetarium, dormitory, medical parks, ATM services, shoots. These laboratories we can give our service to the Homagama area people and generate our revenue. And we can give our service to the schools for lab test, university students for lab test, and like this restaurant, people can visit and come to the restaurant, and we can generate more from restaurant. And this another thing is photo shoot areas. Photo shoot is trending thing in this nowadays. That is, we can generate more revenue from the photo shoot areas. Also vehicle park and gym, playground, swimming pool. People can visit and gym to playground and swimming pool, and in their leisure times we think we can generate our revenue from these activities easily. And this is our proposal revenue generating activities expected revenue. You can see total annual revenue is 399 million. We can get annually this income. We get this information from around the Homagama area services, and our total project cost is 1.89 billion, and total income after 7 years is 1.94 billion, and our project payback period is 6 years and 9 months. Net present value is good, and we think our project is feasible. Next, economical feasibility is another thing. This area is most suitable area for implement like this science faculty project, because this area have schools, hospitals, many of services in this area, and this is a government project. easy to get approval for this project. No disturbance from any other things. All approvals are provided by them. And the other thing is education and technology is developing rapidly nowadays. We can everywhere we can see skilled person and professionals. The job market is very competitive. Our children, our students should go to this world and compete with this competitive job market, and we can this science faculties go to our children to the science faculties and get more knowledge and skill, and go to the world with their sound knowledge and skills. Also, this science faculty is open for foreign countries, and that is it can give more benefit for the education and the entire country. Thank you.
The project was built with ours in how many years? Yes, in 9 months. Do you use any regulation for this? This is a government project. They should give us all approval for this project. That's easy to. That's the reason we mentioned it. That they easily give the approvals for the regulations. All government regulation we consider about that, and we discuss with them, and they talk with us.
You have calculated project the revenue for 9 years. Right? 9 years I have seen in the presentation you have calculated the total earning for 9 years. What is the total period of project? Is it 9 years or more years to use that project?
Project period is 2 years.
Project construction period is 2 years. But revenue generating period is given as 9 years.
6 years and 9 years.
The right of the payback period of project is 6 years and 9 months. Time over after 9 years. But I have seen it in the 9 years revenue. After 9 years, what will you do? Would you go to sell it, or would you try to continue that project, or would you provide it for another party? What is your decision after 9 years?
No, it can't sell to another one because this government land and project. We after 9 years we
Provide it to the government.
down.
Okay.
What are the sustainable concepts?
It's mainly use HVAC system and food service phone system and solar panel system. And we use every space for the sanctuary.
Then, when I give you an overall comment, your slides are very professional. I prefer your slide design. So likewise, when you are doing a functional presentation, try to go on with the slides, right? So like color backgrounds are preferred. And the other thing is that when you are organizing the slides, better to add the safety slides after you have spoken about the architectural concepts, engineering concepts. So after all, better to add the safety slides, right? So I felt that your presentation is much organized. when your safety is at the very first beginning of the slides. And again, Sunana, I don't think that photo shooting is a good opportunity to give for an university, right? Now this is an institute, so I don't think that photo shooting is good for an university, right? So I don't know, it's my idea. So others, of course, yes, no. When you take overall, good, but now the thing is that you want to develop your presentation skills, right? So all of you, I didn't see good presentation skills from you all, right? So when you are doing a presentation, you have to keep eye contact with the audience, right? So rather than reading what is mentioned in the slides and what is there in your notes, better to keep eye contacts. And again, the questions and answer slides was not there, so you didn't ask even, right? So you have to give the audience a time to have whether they have any questions regarding your presentation so that you can answer. So when there is no slide like question and answer, so we feel that you are not much confident about your presentation. So okay, right. So yeah. Good.
I did all three groups.